Hey, just past 12 and you're wondering which stream to take, CSE Core or with AI/ML or with data science, IoT or blockchain? Feeling like bro कौन सा choose करूँ? Life का सवाल है. Well, chill because in the next couple of minutes I will decode each of these streams like a boss. CSE Core is like Maggie. It's reliable and it never goes out of the style. You learn the OG stuff, data structures, DBMS and all the coding weapons. Wanna become SD at Amazon? Or do you want to build your own apps? Then CSE Core is your launchpad. CSE Core means all doors open. You can pivot to AI or data, anything, anytime. Want to train robots to crack jokes? Or do you want to build the next ChatGPT? Then say hello to CSE with AI and ML. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is already booming. It is forecasted that there would be 7 billion new jobs created by 2027. AI developers are in high demand with the onset of generative AI tools. In this stream, you deep dive into neural networks, deep learning, NLP. It's like teaching the machines to talk. It's super high demand and cool projects. But it's maths heavy and highly competitive. AI is hot right now. It is not a shortcut. Be ready to grind it. Hey, just taking a quick moment to share something exciting with you all. If you are passionate about learning programming, development or upskilling your tech career, you have to check our platform onlinestudysmart.com. We are not just another edtech website. Our vision is to empower students from schools and colleges across India with industry-ready tech skills. Our mission? Making expert-led hands-on coding, education accessible, practical and career-focused. We run live instructor-led programs including our flagship Java 16-week training designed to take you from zero to job ready with real-world projects and personal mentorship. We are already helping hundreds of students from schools and colleges unlock their potential with structured guidance and career-aligned courses. And hey, if you love reading, we have also got high-quality blogs on programming, development and career tips, all crafted to give you real insights and keep you ahead of the curve. Don't forget to subscribe to our free newsletter on our website so you never miss a blog or a course announcement or any learning opportunity. Ever wondered how Netflix knows what you want to watch? Or Swiggy recommending biryanis on Sundays? That's data science in action. You will be the Sherlock Holmes of numbers, using Python, SQL to extract the data ka raaz. If you love statistics, logic more than coding, then this stream is for you. Hello Web3 fans, where are you at? If words like Ethereum, Bitcoin, decentralization gives you goosebumps, welcome to blockchain. But bro, fair warning, crypto is like your ex. It's exciting, but it's unstable. Actually, blockchain is great for startups and innovation. If you want to take risk, then this one is for you. It is risky and niche. It is better for the long run. Maybe in the future, you would get a booming sector in the crypto. Do you like playing with gadgets or sensors? Are you someone who loves to play with Arduino and electronics along with coding? Then this stream is for you. From smart homes to smart cars to smart farms, everything is IoT, Internet of Things, where devices talk to each other via the internet. You build the tech that talks to the world. You might have heard about advanced farming techniques like vertical farming, hydroponics, etc. They all utilize the IoT products. It is a high demand sector as well, because in the next couple of years, we will see the government investing more in agricultural startups. It is perfect for students who love code plus hardware combo. Let's break it down, no cap. Still confused? Here is the hack. If you are unsure about all these streams, then CSE Core would be the smartest choice for you. If you love solving math problems and statistics, then AI/ML is your choice. If you want to do a job in business, finance or product related roles, then Data science is your choice. If you love Web3 and crypto, then go for blockchain. If you love electronics plus coding, then go for IoT. Hey, remember these golden words. Whatever stream you choose, always remember skills are greater than your branch. Focus more on the skills. Build projects. Show up online. Build your portfolio in LinkedIn. Connect with seniors. Take part in hackathons. Take part in coding conferences. Always stay curious and keep updated with the emerging technologies. The technology landscape is changing very fast. Keep an eye and remain updated. If this video helped you, then smash the like button. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more tech career gyan. Till then, stay coding, stay safe.